Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that when you're just trying to connect with your cellular data, maybe your mobile data, so it may face you that cellular issue detected in iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you just have to just turn it off your VPN, and also make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Simply just update the iOS version and also go to the transfer or reset iPhone. And just after that, simply just tap on reset and just here the reset the network settings from here. So many users face issue because they cannot reset the network settings. So make sure that you just do that settings before going to turn off your mobile data connections. So after that, simply just go back, again back, and just go to the mobile services, and here you just have to just make sure that your device also have a data of internet. So make sure that, and also make sure that you just have to set up your mobile services just like that. You just have a sim of T-Mobile, any sim services you just have to set up, and just after that settings, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just have to just put out the sim from your iPhone and again input it. After that, simply just go to iPhones of settings, and again just have to just reset the network settings and off your iPhone, and just turn off your iPhone. Just pressing the power button and volume up button, and just off your iPhone, and again on it. After that, simply just follow the again settings and try to resolve the issue. And after that, your problem is gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.